So YouTube, today I'm going to do a video on opening up the Xbox One remote. You have the Xbox remote, you have a prying tool, and a T9. Basically on the remote, it's a little hard, but if you get in this little scene right here, you hear it clicking. You guide it down, give it a little twist. Okay. Once you do that side, you turn it a little bit so you can get this side, and you hear it clicking. So that's the first cover. Now you do the same thing on the other side. There you go. Both of your covers off. So now, under your battery, they have a mark right here. That will be your other screw. Now the problem with these, you have to have the right screw because it has a little pin in the middle. So you can grab a little flathead and kind of, if you don't have the tool, you can scrape it just a little bit. Now you grab your tool. Okay. Out. Okay. And go to this. You got one here, one down here. Same thing in this side. One here, one here. Take this one out. Basically, take 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fifth one will be in here. Basically, bring it up slowly. And that's it. That is your Xbox remote opened up. Looks pretty cool. Has a little vibration here. The buttons, battery. Take a look at it. Looks crazy. Well, hopefully that is useful how you take your Xbox One remote apart. Like and subscribe. Thanks.